Each person's palm is unique, much like fingerprints, and palm biometrics offers high accuracy. Traditionally, it required dedicated palm scanners, but Innovatrics has changed the game. We are the first to offer mobile palm recognition technology that requires only a mobile phone or an ID camera for verification and identification. Palm print verification can now be used for remote identity verification or when face recognition isn't an option. This supports new use cases like extra security for signing large transactions or recovering passwords. Unlike face photos that can be found online, a fraudster cannot get an image of your palm. Plus, showing your palm is voluntary and controlled by you. For access control scenarios, palm identification via an IP camera ensures seamless and secure access without face biometrics. Despite the popularity of face recognition, palm modality is actually more accurate, especially when using both palms. Experience the future of biometric security with Innovatrics. Innovatrics, building a world of instant trust.